We must pay homage to him.
Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Talia. I am a upcoming businesswoman. This is my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, stop what you're doing. Subscribe should be down there somewhere. You're already here, so you might as well. But anyways, if you're ready to see this beautiful look, please stay tuned. This video is gonna be a laid back type of video. It's not gonna be like a lot of talking and all that. I did a face mask, and I'm also showing you how to do this everyday spring type of makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy this. Have a beautiful day. Today I wanted to put on this mask. It's by Eppley, and it's a black charcoal peel off mask and deep pore cleanser, and it's a K-pop beauty, K-beauty I mean. I'm gonna put it on today. So me and my boyfriend, we usually use this, and I wanted him to be in the video, but girl, he wanna wait till he get his hair cut, so he get hair haircut. Yeah, I guess. So this is it, and I'm gonna put it on. So I'm gonna go wet my face, and then I'm gonna be right back. All right. So my face is nice and wet. Can y'all see? It's drenched. Well, it's not drenched. It's damp. It's good. So I'm gonna take a lot. Not even gonna lie. So I'm not gonna talk that much. I'm gonna probably just. This is just how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so we can speed through this, cause like.
We must pay homage to him.
So that's how I'm gonna leave it for right now, but I have to keep this on for 10 minutes, so I'm gonna be right back in 10 minutes. I got it all over the bottle, all over my hands. I mean, I didn't think it through when I put it on my hands, but you know. We all make mistakes, and I'm rubbing it off, and it's like but I'll be back, okay? All right guys, it has been 10 minutes, so I got it on my lips, so I'm going to peel it off. Are you ready? Are you ready? Can you see it like moving? Like, look, do you see how that's like, I can put my finger through it? So I'm just going to take it like this from bottom up. So yeah. So I'm going to go wash this off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Got my face all kind of off my face. So I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'll be back again. Anyways, guys, I'm back and I did my eyebrows. I also primed them. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, and I'm gonna go in with the color Ice Pop, and I'm gonna put that in my. And the brush I'm going to be using is this kind of tapered, fluffed out brush. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be packing this onto my crease, into my brow bone. Nice coral, soft pink. Alrighty, so when you have that packed on to the opacity that you like, I like this color. It's like a corally type of color. So I'm wanting to go in with my Morphe 35M palette and go in with this color Fire Up. It's an orangey color, and I just want to put this color inside my crease to little darken it up a little bit. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm taking this and I'm going to be putting this in my crease. I'm thinking about taking this lower and just putting it all over my lid, and I'm thinking about doing a halo eye. Alright, I'm gonna just show you guys up close. So I'm just gonna go with the Sugar Copper there. And just like that, because I feel like we lost some of that pink. I'm gonna go back in with my brush and take Ice Pop again and just put that up there. I want to take the same color I put in my inner corner and put that, on my center of my lid, also on my inner corner and on my brow bone. So let me show you guys up close. So I'm gonna add that orange shade on my lower lash, on my lower line. So I'm taking MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm just gonna evenly distribute it because it's my last bit on my face. So I'm just gonna take little bits more, and I like to bring that down my neckline. I'm going to contour with my Black Radiance, the True Complexion CC palette. I'm going to take this, I know this is tiny. Alright, so I'm going to take some concealer as well, just a little bit. Now it's time to set. I'm going to bake my face. I'm going to take my Take Home the Balm bronzer. Now I'm going to take this and swipe this off. So now I am kind of in the mood for a darker blush. So I'm taking this Duce cheek blush in RSVP. I had to get in there. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like a subtle, like what I need kind of blush right now. And it gives me. Now I need some highlights, so I'm going to be taking my Revlon Photo Ready Sun Dream palette, and I'm going to take my gold brush like I always do, and I'm going to take the gold color. That's a good affordable highlighter, let me just say. So I'm gonna go back in with Fire Up and put that under my lower lash line. Your girl is glowing. Let me show you up close. I'm kind of thinking about adding lashes, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I am back, and I have my lashes on, my lips on, everything on. My drink is on. I'm gonna show you guys up close. And let me let you guys know that this year I'm going to be relaunching my business. So my business, I used to sell lashes when I first came out, but this time around I'm not just gonna sell lashes. I'm gonna sell lashes, lip glosses, t-shirts. Think about getting some jewelry, maybe some, I don't know, girl stuff. So I'm also trying to get my certifications. Like, I could do makeup, but I'm trying to get my certifications to do nails, and I'm also trying to get my certification to do lashes, individual. But I'm going to be selling minks and 25mm lashes. I'm gonna be selling lip glosses, tints, lip scrubs, all types of stuff, girl. So be ready for that. I'm gonna have a website, business cards, and all. Let me know down below if you guys would like to be a brand ambassador, because I plan on launching this by the end of this year or by the middle of this year. So please be tuned. Let me know down below if you want to be a brand ambassador. You know, put your email address, all that. I'm gonna send you the information, what's required for you to do it, and all that stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that you guys have a blessed day. I hope you guys love what this look like. This is a everyday spring type of look, like, girl, like, yeah.